Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put positive number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. This one we have negative number 2. This one that is about identity. So we have x plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t. Later that, because if I put this one gone here, we have 2 secant of t square, number 2. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Because we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have dx equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. This one gone here. Dx we change by this one. So negative number 1, we have negative number 2. This one we have 2 secant of t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. This one we change tan t square. Now we need to simplify tan t. So the square root of number 2 and number 2 go outside. Next, secant of t we change by 1 over cosine t. Tan t we change by sine t over cosine t. Next, cosine t we simplify. Next, so this one divide by this one divide by this one. Next, secant of t we change by 1 over cosine t. Next, about number 1 we change by sine t square plus cosine t square. Next, so this one divide by this one divide by this one. So we have sine t over cosine t and cosine t over sine t. Next, so the square root of number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. So this one I will change number 2 cosecant of t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. The integration of this one, we have positive ln of the absolute value of sine t. The integration of this one with the negative, so we have the positive number 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. Now about t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. So we got about t equals to arcsecant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.